to Coal India then, where the chairperson of the company, Zohra Chatterjee, is talking about the FSAs or the fuel supply agreements.
The main agendas of today's meeting was to implement the government directive, and the board had been deliberating on the draft FSA document which is to be signed. In the previous meetings also we had been discussing it in detail, and we have agreed upon a document, and we shall be signing the FSAs within the time limit given to us.
What is the level of penalty clause involved?
For the penalty clause, we have decided to keep it at a minimum, and it should be operationalized after 3 years.
At a minimum,
how much would that be?
0.01% below 80%, yeah.
And if you could give us a ballpark date, ma'am, as to when you expect to sign the FSA?
We are to sign it within 15 days from date of issue of directive, so that would be before 20th.
Okay. And how many?
When will supply start?
Supplies would start depending on after they sign the power plants also have to come forward to sign the document and to bring their papers showing that they have signed the PPAs, because that, as you know, is a precondition. They must have long-term PPAs. So once they come forward to sign the FSAs, it will be done. After that, the supply will commence.
And how many?
And in fact, some of them are already drawing coal under MOUs. It's just being formalized into an FSA.
How will imports be handled?
Any option?
That will have to be decided upon later as to how imports are to be handled as and when that is required.